You are going to love the 2019 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third-row seat, power lift gate, keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, front floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.